Hello, I am Pau. Welcome to my space for meditation. I'm very happy that you're here with me today. And I want to share with you this meditation to calm down the thoughts, to control the thoughts in your mind. A lot of people tell me all the time, I cannot meditate because I cannot stop my mind. But that's the main reason why you need meditation in your life. We all have those amounts of thoughts in our brains all day long. So we need meditation to be able to lower the activity in the mind and find some peace in our heart and in our mind. So the first thing you need to do is to find a comfortable place to sit. Or if sitting is not possible for you, you're more than welcome to lie on the floor, in a carpet, or on a yoga mat. If you are sitting and being in this position with your spine straight, it's uncomfortable for you, you also can use a wall or a chair. So you can have a wall on your back and just lie your back on that wall or on the chair. If you cannot cross your legs, you can have the feet touching the ground, or any position that is good for you that you can hold between 5 and 10 minutes. Because it is important that once you start the meditation, you are quiet and you can focus in on your breathing and the guidance that I'm giving into you. So now that you found your spot, your sacred spot for meditation, I invite you to have your hands laying on your lap. And now it's time to close the eyes. I encourage you to have your eyes closed the whole time. I am sitting here with you and I'm just talking and I'm doing the same that you are going to do. So you can keep your eyes closed and now bring the attention to your face and try to relax your face expression by bringing a smile to your face. And now take a deep breath in and observe. See where are you at in your breathing. Are you allowing your body to really inhale, your lungs to expand, and are you giving that freedom to your lungs to exhale with time? Or are you only breathing here, like on your face, on your nose, like very short inhales and short exhales? If that is happening, I invite you again to take a deep breath in and then exhale slowly everything out, letting everything go. And now bring both hands to your heart. So both hands are touching your heart. You feel your heartbeat. And you take another deep breath in. Your heart expands. Your lungs are expanding. Your spine is rising. And then exhale everything out. And now one hand is gonna stay on the heart and you're gonna bring the other hand to your forehead. This gentle touch of your hand to your forehead. And what's happening is that hand touching your forehead is sending the message to your mind that everything is alright. And the idea of this meditation is to find some synchronicity between your mind and your heart, some harmony through your breathing. And now that you have one hand on your heart and the other hand on your forehead, we're gonna do some cycles of breathing, counting to 4. So the idea of this breathing, we're gonna count to 4 in the inhale, then we're gonna pause for 4, and then we exhale in 4. The first 2 cycles, I'm going to guide them for you, and then I will remain in silence so you can count it in silence until you reach 6 cycles in total. And we're gonna start now inhaling for 4, 3, 2, 1, and we pause 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, and pause. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. And now you continue in silence 4 complete cycles at your own. So you inhale for 4, you pause for 4, and you exhale for 4. And now with a smile in your face, you bring the hand that was touching the forehead to your heart. And see how you feel now. When the mind tries to fly away and take you to another place, bring your attention back to your nose, to your next breath, and find all the details in that breathing. Now you can rest your hands on your lap, keep your eyes closed. And when you receive thoughts, judgment, and all sorts of things, you just allow the thoughts to continue their journey, and you bring the attention back to your breathing. And then very slowly, all together, we're gonna open the arms, bring the arms up to the sky. Your palms touch over your head, and then through the center line you bring your hands in a prayer position back to your heart. And keep that beautiful smile on your face and slowly start opening your eyes. And I want to thank you very much for sharing this moment with me, this meditation. I hope you enjoyed too, and that you continue meditating with me next time. Namaste.